Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside automatic welding helmet, the model PSHL 2D1. For all standard welding process, viewing area 9.2 by 4.2 cm, darkening time 0.0004 seconds, adjustable protection levels from 5 to 9 and 9 to 13, UV ER protection DIN 16, lightweight head covering helmet with an adjustable headband, with integrated LED for optimal lighting of your work area with a separate switch, with a true color filter for more realistic color display. 3 years warranty, and let's open to see what we have inside, find out how it works, wear it to my head, and if it is comfortable for me. And inside, of course, we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Okay, I like the fire around. Warning, please remove this protective film before using. Okay, sure. Nice. Here we've got the headband, we've got soft cushion here, adjustable from here, and you can adjust it, and from here you can just pull that, find the right hole, and just lock it wherever you want. And then you can tighten it from here, and it will stay very secure, it will not move. Perfect. And here we've got the darkening control. You can see right in the corner which is the right position for what work. It goes to 13. Okay. Now I'm going to remove that just to show you inside how it's working. And here it says, please remove this protective film before using. Okay. There it is, I just remove it. Okay, now let's see inside how it looks. Here it is, the darkening control. There it is. We've got the low battery indicator, the test button. There is the battery compartment. Oh, we need two AAA batteries. We've got the adjustable protection levels from 5 to 9 to 9 to 13. You choose with this level. LED control, off, on, auto. The sensitivity from low to high, the delay from minimum to max. You can adjust it with these small adjustable knobs. And there is the cable, it goes at the darkening control. And of course all that you can remove, just slide these two here and you can remove it if you want. And we can see at the front we've got the arc sensor, the solar and the LED light. And of course we've got the display. And it is very easy to install. Just press, slide these buttons and you're good to go. Well, let's turn it on and test it. We can switch on the LED. There it is, next to auto, on and off. And we can press the test button. We can see it's working. Now I've got this flashlight just to check. It is the adjustable protection level 5 to 9 with this switch, and with this rotating knob you can see no protection, and slowly increasing the protection. Or you can put it on level 9 to 13. We'll get maximum protection. LED light, it is on. You can put it on auto, on or off. Definitely it will protect your eyes when you are welding and do many things for a plasma cutter, welding, angle grinder and more. It cost 32 euros if I remember correct. It has good adjustments. I have tried on my head and definitely it stays very well there without a problem. Good quality plastic at the front, and of course we can remove by just pulling these plastics. You can remove this plastic cover at the front. Maybe you want to wash it, do your things, just check inside the solar, the sensor, the display. And you can reinstall it very easy. Just have this plastic here and slide this and it locks. Well guys, that was all about. Definitely it is a great opportunity, just protect your eyes whatever you are doing when you are working. I have tried with a welder and definitely it can protect my eyes very well without a problem. My eyes are not tired after welding. Thumbs up. And that was all guys. If you want to buy it, it costs 32 euros. It is your choice. It is very important to have protection for our eyes. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know whom you need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye. Huge bright LEDs, 4 LEDs. The lowest protection, and there we'll get the highest protection. Wow, definitely is doing a great job. Without a doubt, this flashlight, it is impossible to have direct eye contact. Definitely is doing a good job.